What's up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Tonight we're going to look at my new tool cart for the at home here. You guys gave me a lot of great suggestions. I kind of landed on this a long time ago. Color was not really an option for me. This is all that was available, but that's fine because I just want to get some tool organization, more storage space. And I still have more to do, so I'm going to go through this box with you guys. You guys let me know what else I can do. I think I got to get some plier racks and stuff, so let me know maybe how to utilize this better, because I could use your opinion. What's up, guys? My garage is an absolute mess. I unloaded my work van, ramping up to get all my tools together, organized out here. I do like the open shelf concept, but I gotta clean this all up, make it better. So in order to do that, I picked up these. We're gonna unload them. They're the 36 inch. And I think the top's 35, which will fit my spot perfectly. So let me get these unloaded, unwrapped, and we'll check them out. So this little guy is getting replaced today with this Kobalt 36 inch. Base is 36 and this is 35 and some. Thought this was a great option. Just to let you guys know, 4 bolts to connect these. One's a 14 millimeter, one's a 13. Or it might be 13 and 12. But you just take these 3 drawers out, connect them together. Casters have their own bolts in there, and then the handle has the smaller ones. It has a little wrench to put this on. So far this is what we got. Continue on and get it in place. All right, guys, so here it is. It's 11 drawers, and we got on the top 30 under 36, and the bottom is under 36. So it's a 36 inch. It's a 36 incher. But it's nice. The top opens up here. Nice gas struts. I put my little Honeywell light up here, so it brightens my day. Now, one thing, this bar in the middle, I can't put my impact right in the middle or else this won't close all the way. So have to kind of offset it. But anyways, got my power bank, has USB ports, got chargers back there, batteries, my lights in the back, my CC stuff. And there's a lot of stuff just scattered about because I kind of just put stuff in here. Top drawers here. Got those goodies. They are soft close. Got screwdrivers. Some picks. Bolt extractor. It's nice though. It comes with all the padding and stuff. You know, and I can fit so much more in here, and I realize that it's not like the most, you know, best organized right now. I really haven't had a chance to go through it, so like that stuff I could get a rack for, same with the pliers, and then here's my hammers and chisels and gasket scrapers. Got my wrenches, torque wrench back there, breaker bar in the back. Got my ratchets. I want to give a nice shout out to Adam B, who gave me this 3/8 Hazet ratchet and some other goodies. And this is awesome because, so like, for my ones here this size, gear wrench is my go-to. This one, it's a little bit longer. So I like that it's shorter. I think it's going to get into some cool spaces. I like everything about it. I just want to give a shout out and a huge thank you. I've received some things from people, but not a lot, and I just want to say I really appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. It's, you know, a great addition to my arsenal here. Got the icon in the back. Thumbs up, brother. Gear wrench. These things are awesome. This is a Tactics T-handle set. Very handy. And then this is my little boss stitch. It's a tiny little driver. My Work Pro. This guy's gotten a lot of good use. Has a weird funky handle on it. And then this Ward's Master. You guys probably didn't get the joke. But the 53, it might be from 1953, or it could be April 7th, 83. I don't know. But I like this thing a lot. It's in there. I was able to put all my new additions in there, which is nice. Next one down, sockets. These also tool holders are great. And like I said, I just finished out this collection because of the holders. A lot of random assortments from different collections of ratchet sets I bought to round it out. And then I went and bought Tekton or Craftsman, whatever the ones I needed. This drawer sticks. I have to figure that one out, but got my impact socket sets there. It closes nice. Then down at the bottom I have all my big stuff. So that's it. I mean, I really like it. It's going to serve me perfectly fine for, you know, my needs. Has nice space on the sides, nice little push bar. The casters are pretty decent. It is what you would expect. So I will say I spent $700 on this. A little pricey. I'm sure I could buy it on a sale. You guys know I'll link my Milwaukee box up here in the corner. I really liked that box a lot, but I did not have the room for it in my new house. I sold it, but the top and there's mixed reviews on the Milwaukee boxes. This one is really good, the one that I had. And this Kobalt is going to be just fine for me. Yes, it's not the highest of quality, but I mean, you know, it's hard to beat. And I like that it came with all the matting and all the, just everything you need. The one thing I did not account for is I just barely made that. So I can still get in that cabinet, reach in, do what I gotta do. You know, all my jacks and everything are still back there. I'm very excited I got it. And like I said, it's a great addition to the garage. So if you're thinking about it and you're just, you know, an at-home type of guy, and you know it's going to get used but not used and abused in like a shop setting or something, then this might be the right thing for you. Maybe wait for it to go on sale. I would like to get, actually the one I wanted to get was the 43-inch Craftsman, but again, I'm limited on space. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.